On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money promoting affiliate products using AI. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that you don't need any skills, you don't need any investment to use this method to make money. So kindly keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The tool that we are going to be using today is cohesive.ai. This AI is a content creation AI that you can use to create any kind of content that you want. If you want to create a voiceover, you can use this AI to create it. If you want to create a script for a YouTube video, you can use it. You can generate a blog post, Instagram caption, content rephrase. You can see a whole lot of different content that you can generate with this AI. There are a whole lot of different content that you can generate. You can see they have up to 200 plus templates that you can use to create your content. The best part is that you can use it for free before you upgrade. Let me click on pricing for you to see. As you can see the pricing, they have the free version which we are going to be using forever. You can see it right here. So once you use the free version, if you want, you can upgrade to $15 per month or $30 per month. It depends on what you want. One good thing is that if you want to generate written content, you can use the free version forever. You can see unlimited words. You can generate content as many as you want with the free version. But the difference is that if you want to use AI voices, you have to upgrade. The free version will only give you 1 minute of AI voice generation, whilst the rest, the minutes has been increased. You can see the $15 per month. You are going to get access to 90 minutes of AI generation, and the $30 per month, you are going to get up to 140 minutes of AI generation. That is the difference. If you want only written content, you have to use the free version and then upgrade later. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use this AI to generate a blog post. So you have to click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you can sign up with your Google accounts, or you can enter your email address right here and then follow the prompt so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. If you want to generate AI voices, all that you have to do is that you have to click on voice. Once you click on voice, you are going to paste your content right here and then click on go so that it can generate the AI voice for you. But in this case, we are going to be using it to generate text. You want to create a blog post, but before you create a blog post, you have to first of all think of how you can make money with the blog post. You can see it right here, blog generator. In this case, we are going to be using the blog post to promote affiliate links. So you have to join an affiliate network, find a product before you generate the blog post. You can join an affiliate network like ClickBank, Digistore24, Warrior Plus. You can join Market Health. Any affiliate network that you want, you can join. In this case, we are using ClickBank. So once you join ClickBank and log in, what you have to do is that just click on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you can see a whole lot of different categories of products that you can promote from home. You can see a whole lot of them. If you click right here, all, you can see many other categories that you can click on and then find a digital product to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are going to be promoting a product under the health and fitness. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are products under the health and fitness. You can see the first one is Live Pure. The commission rate is very high, $148.85. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. You can see another product, Alpine Lean. You are going to be earning $136.88 per every sale that you get. There are a lot of different products that you can promote under this category, and the best part is that all these products, many people are buying them. You can see the gravity score right here. It is high. The gravity score indicates the number of different affiliates who have promoted the product and made sales in the last 2 weeks. You can see this one, the gravity score is very high. That means many people are promoting it and they are getting a lot of sales. So just scroll through and then find any of the products that you want so that you can promote it. Most of them are getting a lot of sales, so just select the one that you want and then promote it. In this case, we are going to be promoting the first one right here, Live Pure. So first of all, you have to look at the landing page of the product. To promote the product, the first thing is that you have to look at the landing page of the product. To look at the landing page, just click on the name of the product. Once you click on the name of the product, you can see this is the landing page. This is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see before they buy the product. You can see right here they have packaged the product into tray. The second one, our potential customers can get free shipping. This is very nice because it is going to get a lot of people to purchase the product. They also have 100% money back guarantee. So if the product is not helping the customer, they can return it and then get their money back. This kind of information on the landing page is good because they are trustworthy. They can make the customer buy the product and we are going to be earning a commission. You can see these are the ingredients that they use to make the product. You can see a whole lot of different information about the product. You can see everything. So now once we have gotten to know the basic information about the product, the next step is that we are going to promote it. The product is about weight loss, so we have to now generate a blog post concerning weight loss so that we can use it to promote the product. So now you can come back on cohesive.ai and then generate your blog post. Once you come back on cohesive.ai, what you have to do is that you have to select full blog generator. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to enter the keywords, your gold, you can see the tone, the word count. So you have to type whatever that you want to write here. So we are going to write something like weight loss. So say weight loss, something like this. Once you type that, you are going to enter the keywords right here. So let's enter lose weight, fat loss, something like this. You are also going to type natural weight loss, something like this. You can type as many keywords that you want. Once that is done, you can see the gold. So we are going to type what do you want people to do with the article. We want them to click on our affiliate link and then buy the product. So we are going to type something like click here, something like this, click here. We want people to click on our affiliate link. Once that is done, you can see tone. We are going to select the kind of tone that you want. So we are going to make it persuasive. So something like persuasive, something like this. I think this is okay. Once that is done, you can see word count. Just leave it like that. And you can see the reference link. So we are going to go on Google so that we can search for any blog post related to what we are going to write about. So let's type something like Live Pure Review. Something like this, Live Pure Review. Something like this, Live Pure Review. Once you search for Live Pure Review, you can see this is a review. This is a YouTube video, so we want the blog post. Click on the first link. Once you click on it, you are going to copy the link of the blog post. We want the AI to write a blog post like this because this article is ranking high on Google. So it means the content on this blog post is good. So we want the AI to also write a good content like this so that we can use it to promote the products. Once you copy the link of the blog post, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to click on Go. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then click on Continue. As you can see, it is doing the research, so we are going to wait for it. As you can see, it has fetched some blog posts on Google that are ranking high. So if you want, you can add many of them so that it can write the same way. As you can see, so it is going to write the content using these blog posts on Google. All these posts are ranking high on Google. It means they have good content. So we are going to generate a similar content so that we can use it to promote the product. So once you are okay with the blog post that it has fetched, you are going to click right here, generate, so that it can generate a unique blog post for you. As you can see, it is writing, so we are going to wait for it. As you can see, it is generating. You can see it is generating the content. You can see everything. We are going to wait for it to generate the content. As you can see, it is generating, so we are going to wait for it. As you can see, this AI has finished generating the content. You can see it has generated a very useful blog post that we can use to promote the product. You can see a whole lot of them. If you wanted to add images, you can do that. If you want to convert it to a voiceover, you can do that. If you want to continue writing, you can do that. So this AI is one of the best. You can see a whole lot of different things that it has generated. As I scroll, you can see this is the blog post. This is the table of content of your blog post and a whole lot of different things. You can see the blog post. If you want to translate it, you can click right here, translate to. Once you click on it, you are going to select any of the languages that you want to translate your content. In this case, you are not going to translate it, so just leave it like this. Once you have generated your blog post, the next step is that you are going to publish it so that you can get many people to read it and then click on your affiliate link so that they can buy the product for you to make money. One of the websites that you can publish your articles for free is vocal.media. Just search for vocal.media. Once you search for it, you can find it. This is how the interface looks like. You can see many people have posted their content on this platform. You can see a whole lot of different content that people have posted onto this platform. We are also going to post the article on this platform so that we can drive traffic to our affiliate link. So the first thing is that you have to sign up for an account. To sign up for an account, you are going to click right here, join, so that you can create a free account. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create stories. Once you click on create story, you're going to see a page like this. The first step is that you have to copy and paste the title of your blog post right here. So you're going to come back on Cohesive AI and then highlight and copy the title. Once you highlight and copy the title, you're going to paste it right here. Once you have the title of the content right here, the next step is that you are going to type a subtitle right here. So you can type something like lose weight fast easily. Lose weight fast easily, something like this. Once you type the subtitle, the next step is that you are going to select an image that you want to use in your article. So you can come right here on Sparless images, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to search for an image related to the content that you want to post. In this case, we are posting a weight loss product, so just type something like lose weight, something like this. Once you type your keyword, you can see different images that you can use. If you want, you can click right here next, so that you can find other images that you can use. You can see a whole lot of them. You can keep on click on next, so that you can find the right image for your blog post. Any of them that you want, you can select it and then use it in your blog post. In this case, I'm going to use this one right here, so just click on it. Once you select it, it is going to appear like this. The next step is that you are going to paste your blog post right here. You are going to copy and paste everything about your blog post right here. So you have to come back on the AI. Once you come back, you are going to copy from the introduction part to the last part of the article. Just highlight everything. Once you highlight everything, you are going to copy it. Once you copy the content, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. Once you copy and paste it, you can see this is the article. Let's delete all these things. Delete everything. Just delete everything. Delete everything. Delete all the unnecessary part of the article. Once you delete it, you are also going to scroll upwards so that you can delete anything that is inappropriate in the article. You can see a whole lot of different things. Just delete anything that is inappropriate. The table of content, we are going to delete everything, so just delete them. Once you delete everything, you can see this is your article. You can see all the information in the article. The next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link in this article, so that when the people are reading, they can click on your link and then buy the product. So just scroll down and then insert your link in any part of the article that you want. So you have to go back on ClickBank so that you can get your affiliate link. So once you come back on ClickBank, you are going to click right here, promote. Once you click on promote, you are going to click right here, create hub link. Once you click on create hub link, you are going to click right here, copy, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then type your call to action in any part of the article that you want. For example, we are going to type one right here. So type something like click here to lose weight fast easily without dieting. Just type a simple call to action like this. Once you type your call to action, you are going to highlight it. Once you highlight it, you can see right here, click on link. Once you click on link, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste your affiliate link, you are going to press enter. You can see this call to action has been linked to your affiliate link. So anytime people click on it, they are going to be directed to the product through your affiliate link. The next step is that you are going to highlight and then copy. Just highlight. Once you highlight, you are going to copy it. Once you copy it, you can paste it in any part of the article. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, find another space and then paste it. We are going to paste it right here. Just paste it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down again. Just scroll down to any part of the article. Once you scroll down, you can paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Just paste it as many as you want. Just insert your affiliate link as many as you want in this article. Just scroll down and then paste it. You are going to paste it right here. Once you paste it, you are going to scroll down to the bottom of the article. Just scroll down to the last part of the article. Once you scroll down, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now, once that is done, the next step is that you are going to publish your articles. So first of all, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, save changes. Once you click on save changes, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, submit for review. Once you click on it, you can see choose a community to submit your story. So click on it and then select any of these communities that you want. Just scroll down and then select the right one that you want. You can select education or any category that you want. Just scroll down and then select any of them that you want. You can select life hack or any of them. Once that is done, you can see add a tag so readers know what your story is about. So you are going to click on it and then select what your article is about. In this case, our article is about health. So select it. Once that is done, you are going to click on submit, and you can see right here, thanks for submission. Our team of moderators will review your work shortly. Once approved, it will be published on Vocal Media. So once you click on submit, this is what you are going to see. The article is going to be reviewed. Once it is reviewed, it is going to be published on Vocal Media, and you are going to get people who read it and then click on your affiliate link so that they can buy the product for you to make money. So make sure you create a lot of stories and then post it on this platform so that you can get a lot of people to read your articles and then click on your affiliate link. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.